An accessory.
Well, it's a perfect time to restart the video. We just missed Mike saying that he lost his screw. But did he really lose a screw? I don't think he lost a screw. I think it's right down there somewhere.
Find it eventually. Okay, that's time. Push out those last two bolts and
Take a yank.
Yeah. Oh no, water.
You want to jack it up a little bit?
Jack what up?
The engine? Should it still be sliding straight?
I think you should be still sliding straight.
There we go.
You want now you're playing that. Careful because you still got the flywheel. So you want to like nail up the funnel tune or the flex plate.
Looks pretty clear.
Yeah, good. Good. You have to come up to clear the little pickup. That should do it. Start spinning. More?
Do another two cranks. That should do it.
Hold the lower part. That would be helpful. Pull and face, yeah.
Move that intake. Sure.
I'll see what you just set down here unless you want.
Alright, put it on the rubber dolly?
Yeah. We're gonna have to put the pan back on real quick.